Whose idea was this?
Oh, hi, this is intense. I can feel it off me, Johnston.
Oh, am I in front?
Tell me.
His bike's better than me. Hi, I'm Lee Johnston.
Hi, I'm Paul Jordan.
And today we are in Neon Wolf Tattoo Studio in Nottingham.
And we're going to play an arcade game of Vitamin TT.
And the winner gets to pick what the loser has to get tattooed on them.
Unfortunately, I've been here for the last 24 hours practicing, so looks like Lee's getting it.
No chance.
I definitely want to win this one now. I don't want to have a tattoo on me that's located by Lee Johnston for the rest of my life.
Oh, she's a bit creaky, this one.
That's yours, you picked her.
She even feels fast. When you win the TT, you can set the trophy wherever you want, but every time he gets in the shower or does whatever, he's going to see that tattoo, isn't he? So if I was him now, I'd be really worried. But it's a pity we don't have them heart rate monitors on, you know, like, because his is sitting at 170. Let's do some stretches first.
I'm sweating.
All we can really hope for is that he has a massive get.
Oh, he is ready. He's ready for the tattoo.
I've had a sudden realisation that I'm getting the bloody tattoo.
There's a lot at stake here. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, listen to my thing. It's slow. Oh, he's into the side of me.
Oh, hi, this is intense. I can feel it off me, Johnston.
Oh, what am I doing up there? His bike's faster than mine.
No,
this is not fair.
Oh!
Oh, he knocked me off. That's cheating.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm right behind him again now, look. Oh, he's running wide. Oh, I'm coming. Come on, Mike. I've took like 5 seconds off.
No way. I don't like this game anymore.
Yo. That was a 112.
I done a 112.3.
No, you did not. Oh, I'm right behind you now.
Oh, I can see your wee thing popping up.
At least it'll make for good TV if I have to get the tattoo after chatting all that. Oh, I'm gonna get him right on the line. Am I in front?
Well, tell me.
Oh!
Somebody get that there tattoos up. Where's your man at? Get him up.
Whose idea was this? Well, I let him, obviously, do you know what I mean? I fall for the TV, innit? I actually wanted a tattoo. I'm not, like, secretly raging inside that he's beat me. At all.
Oh.
Do I get to pick where it goes?
Oh, the race went perfect from start to finish. Absolutely ecstatic that I get the tattoo Lee now. Pick the minion character. Well, he is small, minions are small, so we can go with that if you want. Can't wait to see the tattoo. He's now branded with me for the rest of his life.
Don't blame me if any of the needles get broke, right? Because I'm...
So
fact that I haven't even seen what's about to go on my arm when it's going to be there forever. Yeah, I'm really chuffed right now. I don't know why I let you in. I thought I was doing the nice thing. Nice people finish last, that's what they say.
Lee, what do you think is on your arm now then?
I've got no idea. Whose idea was this?
I'm so glad it's not me, dude. I'm actually really happy for myself.
That shows like a twisted character, doesn't it? When you're happy for someone else's misfortune. Like, I'd never be like that.
I feel faint looking at you here.
Wonder how many people have had tattoos that have to wait till it's on to see what it is they're actually getting on their arm. Have you ever had anyone else in that's got something that they didn't know what they were getting?
Nope. That looks beautiful.
Does it look like you or what?
No, it's not far away now. Just a wee bit less hair, but we'll get them sorted out.
Are we allowed to see it now? Yeah? It looks just like you. It's even got your race number. That is exactly what I wanted this morning. When I woke up, I thought, you know what, I need a minion. Look, so this is my first tattoo, which is my granddad's name, which means more to me than anything. And then I've got a minion with his number on his ass, right beside that. Unbelievable.
It's 1-0. That's definitely.
Do you know what? This just gives me severe motivation to get him back. Can we go play another game, best of 3?
Here all day, tattoo. Let's see it. It does look the part.
Yeah. Thanks, mate.
That's what it is.